Two taps A and B can fill an empty tank in 48 and 60 hours respectively. A worker opens these two taps simultaneously. After 8 hours and 45 minutes, he comes back and sees that there was a leak in the tank. He stopped the leakage and then it took 20 hours and 15 minutes to fill the remaining tank. In what time will the leakage empty the fill tank? Okay, so we can solve it in a lot of ways. And since we are dealing with minutes over here, so the amount of water that is getting filled or emptied should preferably be in table of 60 liters. So for example, if you fill 60 liters every minute, so 60 liters every hour, so you know that every minute 1 liter is getting filled. So it becomes easy to calculate in terms of minutes. But then we'll have to take a huge value. How about we take multiple of 4, right? Because 15 minutes means 1/4 of an hour. So we'll get 1 liter, and 45 minutes is 3/4 of an hour. So we will prefer the efficiencies of the taps to be in the multiple of 4. Now the LCM of 48 and 60, not LCM, the common multiple is if you take 480, so A's efficiency will be 10. 10 is not a proper multiple of 4. So let's take it twice of that. 960. If we take 960, so efficiencies of A will be 20 and efficiency of B will be 6 into 16. That will be great. So we will take the capacity of the tank to be common multiple of 48 and 60. We will take this as 960 liters. Such that efficiency of A is going to be 960 by 48, that is 20 liters every hour. And that of efficiency of B is going to be 960 by 60, which is going to be 16 liters every hour. Now, a worker opens these two taps simultaneously. So these 960 liters, they were supposed to fill, right? Now A and B, they both were opened for 8 hours and 45 minutes. But then there was a leakage. So let's say leakage was removing X liters of water every hour. And this worked for 8 hours and 45 minutes, which is 3 by 4 hours. He stopped the leakage. That means now only the 2 inlet pipes are working. And it took them 20 hours and 15 minutes. So 20 hours and 15 minutes to fill the remaining tank. So if you solve this, we'll get the value of X. That's the efficiency of leakage. We can use that with 960 to get the value of for how long will the leakage take to fill and fill the tank. Empty the tank. Okay. So let's solve this. This is 8 into 4, 32 plus 3. So this is 35 by 4. And this is 20 into 4 plus 1. So this is 81 by 4. So this is going to be 36 minus X into 35 by 4. Excuse me. 36 by 4, that is 9. 9 into 81, and this is 960. So 9 into 81 is 729, right? So 729 goes here. So we'll be left with 231. Now this 4 will go and multiply on the other side, and this 35 will divide. That is going to be equal to 36 minus X. Now 35 is in the table of 7, and so does 231. This is 7 into 3 and this. So from here we'll get the value of X as 36 minus 33 into 4. That is 132 by 5. 132 by 5 is 26.8. So this will, 26.2. No. 26.4, right? Why? Because that was 132 by 5. So double of 132, 264. So this is going to give us 9.6. So if X is 9.6 And if it has to empty 960 liters, how many hours will it take? 9.6 into how much is 960? This is 100. 100 hours. E.